Hello, today we will guide you through how to create new API, token in Kaggle. In this walkthrough, we'll show you the simple process of creating a new API token from your Kaggle account. An API token is commonly used to connect Kaggle with tools, scripts, or environments where you want secure access to your account features, such as datasets or competitions. The process is quick, and we'll move through it clearly so it's easy to follow. To begin, open your browser and go to the Kaggle website. Once the site has loaded, make sure you are on the main Kaggle homepage and signed into your account. If you are not already logged in, complete that first so the account options you need will be available. Next, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile account icon. This opens the account menu, where Kaggle places several personal and account-related options. Take a moment to make sure you're selecting the profile area connected to your own account, since that is where the token settings are managed. From the menu that appears, click on your API tokens. This will take you to the section of Kaggle where API access is handled. If the page loads into your settings area, that's expected. You're now in the right place to manage token-related actions. Once you're on the API settings page, find the option that says Generate New API Token and click it. When you do this, Kaggle will create a fresh token for your account. In many cases, this action also triggers a file download automatically, so it's a good idea to pay attention to your browser's downloads area. After that, follow the on-screen procedure provided by Kaggle. The exact prompts may vary slightly depending on your browser or account setup, but the important thing is to carefully complete whatever appears on screen. If a file is downloaded, keep it in a safe location and handle it securely, since API tokens are sensitive account credentials. Avoid sharing that file publicly or storing it somewhere unsecured. And that's it. You've now gone through the process of creating a new API token in Kaggle. If you need to use the token in another app or development environment, make sure you follow that platform's setup instructions carefully. Thanks for watching, and we hope this guide helped make the process simple and clear.